Hey y'all, welcome back to Redwood RV Ventures. We're cooking up some pizza dough today. My husband loves pizza. It's gonna be easy and we have all the ingredients. You want some warm water here? Oh boy. Mine's above 110, so I need to chill it down a bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of cold and then dump some out. I know, wasteful. 107 should be good. It might chill a minute on the counter. And when I add this cold yeast from the freezer, I've got a cup of warm water. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast, it's windy as can be outside, so it's all the flapping around. It's about 1/4, a little extra don't hurt nobody. Give it a little mix and then we'll let it sit and bloom for 5 minutes. I need bread flour for this. I'm gonna set this in the microwave so it can stay warm. About 1 cup. 2, a teaspoon of salt. Oh man. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 1, 2, well, olive oil. Evo for short. Bread flour, Evo, salt, water, sugar, yeast. We're gonna add all that into the mixer, mix her up, and let it rise. Alright y'all, my yeasty mixture has become bubbly and proofed. So we're gonna dump her in. We're gonna get this going and check it out. Alright y'all, that was quick. I'm gonna leave it in my KitchenAid mixer bowl. I'm gonna set it in the microwave and let it rise for 30 minutes or so until it's doubled. It's quite a small ball here, barely covering the bottom of the bowl, and we're gonna form it into 2 pizzas. Usually I cook it in my cast iron skillet, but my husband doesn't want me to do that this time. He wants a bigger pizza, so I'm gonna have to find something to cook it on. I don't believe I brought our pizza stones, so we'll see. See you when it's risen. Alright y'all, we're about ready to create this pizza. I've got a little bit of butter and a couple garlic cubes in there. I'm gonna microwave to cook a bit and to put on the pizza and melt it. To cook a bit and melt it to put on the pizza. Alright y'all, I think we're ready to rock. I've got my dough. It looks like it's doubled. I'm gonna pull it out. Got my oven preheating. It's really sticky. We're gonna cut her in half. I don't have my bench scraper, so I'm going in with my garlic butter spatula. This one's a little bigger, so we'll put a little on there. I'm actually gonna cover this dough, put it back in the microwave to rest. The door open because it's really warm in there. Alright, now we want to shape this puppy. It's quite sticky on the bottom. I hope this is gonna go okay. Might have to let that gluten rest here. It's really sticky. To let her rest a minute. Alright y'all, it's been resting a minute. It's already more pliable. You want to keep her moving so it doesn't stick. I'm no professional here. Just trying to make my family a pizza. I've tried to make pizza many times because it's like my husband's favorite. Usually it doesn't turn out great. This time we're on a good roll here, a good start, because I am making 2 pizzas instead of 1. So my crust shouldn't be 5 inches thick. This actually looks pretty good. Alright y'all, rough start. It's going okay. Now, got a whoopsie daisy. I don't have any pizza sauce in the freezer. Whoops. Oh, for Pete's sake. So I'm just gonna have to slap some tomato sauce on there. My husband doesn't like too much, actually. Should put this garlic butter first. Little garlic butter going down. All over it actually is good. Crust too. Sauce. My husband doesn't like too much on there. Now I don't have any seasonings in this tomato sauce, so we're gonna hit it with a little oregano. I'm gonna put the rest in this bowl. Some oregano, some basil, some onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, even though we have that garlic butter. Hit it with a little parm. This jar stuff. Some mozzarella. Again, my husband doesn't like too much. I baked these pepperonis for a minute, so they're actually kind of firm, but hopefully they'll be less greasy. It's a little face, a spooky face, kind of like a pumpkin. Alright, there you have it, y'all. Let's throw this boy in. Should have everything. Alright, throw it in 350 for 20 minutes it says, but I don't think it'll be that long. Alright, y'all, that first one was a hot mess. So I had to bring in reinforcements and have my husband come help. Yikes. So now we've kind of gotten this one shaped out. It's crazy. Ow. The heat comes out right there. I'm gonna get all this garlic butter out. I'm gonna spread some on the crust. The first one. Yikes. I should have put flour down on this cutting board last time. And anyway, it was rough. But now we're in business here. It's gonna be better. A little sauce down, y'all. After that garlic butter. This one's gonna be spooky for sure. Or that first one at least. Maybe I could go in with a little more sauce than last one. Go in with a little parm. I'm gonna go in with a little garlic powder and onion powder also. Garlic powder. Whoa. Onion powder. Little basil. Little oregano. Cheese. Learning this pizza game, y'all. I have been on a pizza journey. And my pre-baked pepperonis. It's gonna be a double. They're kind of stuck. It's like a goblin with a weird, creepy, bloody mouth. Ew. And a freaky nose. Alright, y'all, there we have it. Before. Ooh. We're gonna throw her in the oven 350 for 20-ish minutes. Alright, y'all, this is another treat, getting it onto the foil piece. Hopefully it doesn't burn. We're gonna put it in the oven. Check it out. I had to do a rearrange. Alright, y'all, this pizza came out looking like a total monster, but it's not bad. The dough tastes pretty good. Got a couple breadsticks here from the Crust. I tried a bite. Ain't much sauce on there, but it's pretty good. It's like a glorified breadstick. Not too bad. The other one, hopefully it looks better. Hopefully it tastes good. We'll check it out. I'm in a pizza process, so I gotta do stuff to learn it. See, that ain't too bad. Alright, y'all, this is the second pizza. It came out a lot better. Ooh, spooky. It's like a goblin. He's got a big open mouth with some teeth. Anyway, there's a big bubble like right here, so the dough's a little thicker. It's very strange looking, but it's a lot better. Looks better like that. Ooh, goblin, spooky. It's a lot better. Still improvements to be made. Again, it was a nightmare to get off, but hey, that ain't too bad, y'all. Bon appetit, y'all. Bon appetit. Delicious. I appreciate you guys joining me in my kitchen today. If you like what we created here, consider subscribing and following us along. I appreciate you again, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Thanks, guys. Bye.